Everyone, so today I'm actually here to share an amazing brown sugar and cinnamon scrub that will literally not only make you feel amazing, but also smell amazing too. Now the best part is that all of the ingredients can actually be found in your kitchen cupboard. And you don't have to spend, like 20 bucks on a sugary scrub that is literally full of chemicals. You can make this naturally at home. And all you gotta do is literally whisk 1 cup of brown sugar, and you're gonna mix that in a bowl with 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. You're gonna combine that with basically 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, or you can use coconut oil, completely up to you. Now, you can literally use this all at once in the shower, or you can actually store it in your fridge up to a week. Just get rid of all that dead skin and moisturize whenever you want. Now, I actually got this recipe from literally one of my favorite beauty cookbooks, and there's actually a link in the description below if you'd like your very own copy of this amazing cookbook. Take care.